Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix iPhone battery percentage not showing in status bar in iOS 16 issue. After a long wait, the battery percentage has once again started to show in the iPhone status bar with the introduction of iOS 16. As someone who prefers to use the battery percentage indicator to figure out exactly how much juice is left in the tank, I find it a notable addition to the latest iteration of iOS. And if you are in the same boat, chances are that you would be pleased with it as well. Unfortunately, the iPhone battery percentage is not showing in the status bar in iOS 16 for some users. If you have also run into the same problems, check out these viable tips to resolve the issue. That said, let's cut the chase. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 16 or later. So, if you are yet to update your device, head into the Settings app and then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update and finally download and install the latest version of iOS as usual. After that, I would recommend you to check out the compatibility. All the iPhones with Face ID are compatible to show the battery percentage indicator in the status bar. That means you will need iPhone 10 or later to show the battery percentage in the status bar. Next up, I would recommend you to check out the 5 important things that you must know. It's worth pointing out that when the iPhone is not charging, the status bar shows the normal battery icon but with the percentage number inside. Bear in mind that the battery icon appears fully white with the number until it's below 20%. When the low power mode is enabled, the battery icon turns yellow but continues to show the percentage. And when the battery goes below 20%, the battery icon turns red with the percentage number. And when your iPhone is charging, the battery icon displays percentage with a small charging icon. Next up, I would recommend you to enable the battery percentage on your iPhone. If the battery percentage indicator does not appear in the status bar, even after you have updated software on your iPhone, turn off or on the battery percentage. To get it done, head over to the Settings app and then tap on Battery. Now turn off the toggle next to battery percentage. After that, restart your iPhone. Simply press and hold the volume up down button and the side button at once. Then drag the power off slider to shut down your device. Now after waiting for a few seconds, press the power button again to restart your iPhone. Once your iPhone has rebooted, navigate to the Settings app and then tap on Battery. And after that, turn on the toggle right next to battery percentage and you are good to go. Now check if the battery percentage has started to appear in the status bar. If it has, you have got the better of the problem. Note that the battery percentage automatically appears when you enable the low power mode on your iPhone. After that, I would recommend you to hard reset your iPhone. If the problem persists, hard reset your iPhone as it is well known for resolving miscellaneous issues. Simply press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Now hold down the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Finally, I would recommend you to factory reset your device. If none of the tips has worked in fixing the iPhone battery percentage not showing in the status bar issue, factory reset your device. Don't worry, it will only erase the existing settings and all your media and data will remain secure. To get it done, open the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on General. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset and finally tap on Reset All Settings and confirm the action. That's all there is to it. I hope the battery percentage indicator has once again started to appear in the status bar. Now let me know the tricks that has worked for you via the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.